Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a working paper 3DS. This is my first video, so I hope you get lots of subscribers and likes. I'll show you how it's working. So, as you can see, I can take this and move your character around, jump and everything. So, let's get making. The materials you'll need is 2 sheets of A4 paper, a pencil, eraser in case you make a mistake or anything, and some tape and scissors. So that's all the materials you're gonna need for this project. So let's get making. So take both of the sheets of paper, put them together, and once you put them together, take a pencil and draw how your Nintendo 3DS is going to be. So draw a straight line down, and then curve it out. Draw it like that. Just try and make a square. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now what you're gonna do is cut it out. You could turn the paper to make it easier for you. Okay, so once you cut that out, you should have 2 of them. Take one of them, just keep them together and then fold it in half. Whoa, mine is looking like a mini one so far, but I guess you can do better than me. So, do not cut this one. Just take each of one you want. I'm just choosing the one which is drawn. And then take a pencil and draw the screen. Okay, so that's your screen. Then you could draw all the stuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put 5 dots here and do the same thing on this side. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put 5 dots on each side. And also put the camera. A big dot, a circle inside it, and a little dot. Okay, so now I got the screen. All you have to do is cut it out. So pinch it and just do a little cut right there. Try to poke. Maybe you can make it a little longer so it could be easier. And take your scissors, cut through there, and then cut all the way around. Make sure you don't cut off any of these. Okay. So once you got your screen cut out, do the same thing with the bottom. Except it's going to be a little smaller. Then you could cut it out. The same. You could make it a little, you could extend it to make it a little more even. There. Now pinch it, cut it, and do the same thing. Just cut all around it. Okay, so once you got that cut out, you can all draw your buttons and stuff. So you could look on this one. You can copy this if you want. I'll just give it a little look. You can pause the video for that. Now I'll just try and copy it. So X, this is gonna be X, this is gonna be A, and the bottom is B, and this one's Y. Okay, so now we're going to put a little thing there if you want to make the real 3DS or something. Now, right here, put 2 circles. 1, 2. And the top one's going to be start. And the bottom one's going to be select. So now that you got that, you could put the joystick. You could put another circle inside it to make it look more like the 3DS. And then put the plus sign. And then put lines in them to make it look more like the 3DS. Okay, now once you got all that, take your other one. Take this, put it on. Now you're gonna need some tape. Make it into, like, roll it up. Make sure the non-sticky side is in the inside so both sides are sticky. And then stick it right there. And then you could stick it in all the sides but not in the middle. Because if you tape the middle side, it won't be working. Okay. Okay. Almost done. Now just one last one. Could pause the video for this if I'm going too fast. Okay, there. Now what you're gonna do, you're not gonna draw anything on this. All you're gonna do is stick this right on top. And don't tape the middle side, remember. Now take the strap, a little bit of it, and take your scissors. Okay. Now just cut a little bit off. So this is gonna be the working part. Cut a little bit off. Then slide it through. And then once you have that, you could draw you could draw your own character or something up here on the top. So I'm just gonna draw my little Steve. Okay, now what you can do is draw one arrow right here, another one right here, thing in the middle, this here, and this here. So now it should look something like that. Now what you can do is slide it through. And then you can move it around. And to make it look like it's more working, you could cut off the edges from here. Just don't cut off the whole thing. Just a little bit off, like that, to make it look like it's moving more, like that. See? And you could color this if you want. And that's it for the video. Bye, guys.